In this video, we will take you through the vital steps for hosting a successful open house online. You'll learn about selecting the most effective platform for your needs, ensuring it is user-friendly and interactive. We'll guide you on how to prepare your property for a virtual tour, including staging tricks and using high-quality visuals. Discover the best marketing strategies to attract potential buyers, such as leveraging social media and targeted email campaigns. Finally, we'll share tips on engaging with your attendees, employing interactive Q&A sessions, and maintaining interest through timely follow-up communications. We will explore a variety of online platforms and tools that facilitate an effective virtual open house. Choosing the right platform is crucial for a seamless experience. Consider the platform's ease of use to ensure both you and the attendees can navigate it effortlessly. Interactive features like live chat, Q&A sessions, and virtual reality tours can significantly enhance engagement. Additionally, the cost is an important factor. Evaluate your budget and opt for a platform that provides the best value while meeting your needs for functionality and user experience. Preparing your home for a virtual showcase is crucial for making a great impression. We'll provide staging tips to help you present your property in the best light, such as decluttering, rearranging furniture, and enhancing lighting. High-quality photos are essential. Use a good camera or hire a professional photographer to capture every detail. Creating a captivating virtual tour is also important. This can include 360-degree views, walk-through videos, and detailed descriptions to give potential buyers a true sense of the space. These elements combined will make your virtual open house stand out and attract serious buyers. Effective marketing is essential for attracting potential buyers to your virtual open house. We'll share valuable tips on how to leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to create buzz and generate interest. Additionally, email campaigns are an excellent way to reach a targeted audience. Craft compelling messages with eye-catching visuals and clear calls to action. Don't forget to utilize online real estate listings and portals to maximize your reach. A well-rounded marketing strategy that combines these elements will ensure a higher turnout and more engaged participants for your virtual open house. Engaging with attendees during your virtual open house is critical to keeping potential buyers interested. Best practices include hosting interactive Q&A sessions where participants can ask questions in real time and receive immediate responses. Utilize chat features and video calls to make the experience more personal. Follow-up communications are equally important. Send thank you emails, provide additional information upon request, and offer further virtual tours if needed. These strategies not only keep attendees engaged, but also build trust and show your commitment to meeting their needs, increasing the likelihood of a successful sale. To conclude, let's summarize the key points for hosting a successful online open house. First, choose a user-friendly platform with interactive features that fit your budget. Next, prepare your home meticulously with staging tips and high-quality visuals to create an engaging virtual tour. Effective marketing through social media, email campaigns, and online listings is crucial to attract potential buyers. Engage your attendees with interactive Q&A sessions and timely follow-up communications. Lastly, don't forget to encourage your viewers to leave comments and share their experiences, as this feedback can be invaluable for future virtual open houses.